This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is August 8th, 2018. This one here I got a call for no AC. So I'm on my way there now. I talked to the lady, she says the filter inside's been changed. So we'll go check it out, see what's going on. Alright, we'll put it on cooling. It's on manual. Should come on. Might have a delay on it. The fan, see if the fan works. Alright, so the fan works. Might be a delay. Alright, the fan's running now. So almost been a delay on a thermostat. We'll check the outside unit. This filter is clean. This part's working, so we'll check the unit outside. We'll open it up and see what's going on with it. Contact on them looks like it's pulled in. It's not pulled in there, see it? Something's up there. Let's see why we're not getting voltage there, or maybe the contact is bad. Oh, there it goes. Oh, she's off on some kind of pressure switch, I think. Probably a low pressure switch. Well, it's kind of odd. See if we're getting voltage there. That's a bad contactor. Bad contactor, is it? I'm gonna change the contactor. There's a bad contactor there. We'll change out that contactor and we'll try it again. We'll shut it off inside. She's a crusty one. She's a crusty one. Got a bad contactor out there, it looks like. There we go. That's what we want. Alright, we'll just make sure that the power's off and we'll change that contactor. Should be off. Alright, power's off. And the low voltage is off. Okay. Not one today. That was a crusty one. Well, that bids. We're gonna just change it. And put a new connector on there. It's all corroded. You can see it's all corroded and all pitted. We'll put a new one on there. Could have been a bad connector there. It was a little corroded and loose. We'll put a new one on there. Get the power off. The red and the black. As long as you just mark it. We'll put black here and we'll put red up top. There you go. She's a crusty one, Mama. She's one crusty one. Let me get the black on this side, see it? Must be a crankcase heater or something on that. Flipping hot one today, guy. Wow. Out here in the sun, it's very hot. Very hot. Wow. That thing's on there, corroded. I can put new attachments on there, maybe. Top there. Like I said, I got the power off anyway, right? I'm not worried about it. I did check it. Power's off. You can see she's kind of crusty. She's a crusty one. So yeah, you like to snug them up, give them a little time, and snug them some more, I mean. It's not a race. Snug them, we'll give them a little time, we'll try snugging them up some more. Okay? And we got the black on this side. And the red on this side. A lot of times what I'll do on these is I'll just cut this off and then I'll stuff that. See that thing over inside there? That's usually what I do. I'll just cut these off. I'll show you. See that right there? I'll stick that right in there. Like that. This one's gonna have a crankcase heater on it, I'm sure. Don't need it, it's not a heat pump. Strictly AC, don't need that, but I'll just leave it. It's there. Alright, so one of these is a little crusty. So here's a crusty one, Mama. That one's fine. We just have to put a new connector on this. Alright, that should work. We'll plug this back in and we'll start it up. We'll see if it runs. Well, there should be a delay on it again once we start it, so. Put the cooling. Nope. He's running. Going right down in the dirt. Down and dirty in the dirt, Mama. See the little wall there. See the superheat? Suction pressure. I mean, I gotta put a little bit in there, but not a lot. Get a little freon for it. Alright, it's a piston, so we'll check it. Really should be right at the return. That's how you're supposed to put it in the return of the unit, but this will be all right here. Because it does take a little while for this thing to calculate and to adjust as the air's going across it. All right, so I got 60. I don't know if you can see it or not. 68 wet bulb. We'll switch this over to Fahrenheit, the outside temperature. Alright, I'm gonna go outside. 85. So 68 wet bulb inside and 85 outside. Should be 19. It's got a piston. So we'll see, we're a little low here. We're gonna put a little gas in it. So we're shooting for about 19 on the superheat, right? So we're going in the suction line, open this. Bleed it back here, get the air out. And then we'll open this, put some Freon in it, and some gas. Refrigerant, R22. We'll give it a little Gundy, mama. We'll give it a little gas. Now, in an old system like this, is it worth trying to find a leak like this? No, it's not. I mean, it's going to put a little bit in it, going to let it know she got a leak. It's not worth fixing it. Probably the evaporator downstairs, I mean. Old system like this really needs to be upgraded. Not worth spending $3-4 grand to fix it. I mean, it ain't worth it. Start coming down, just start stabilizing. It's a good suction pressure there. Gotta let it run for a little while. Let it stabilize. Alright guys, superheat should be about 19. I overshot it a little bit, but I'm within 5 and seeing it's a leaker, I'm gonna leave it. So I'm within 4 here on the superheat, which is fine. And, yeah, right there. I overshot it a little bit. I mean, it's not uncommon to do that. Instead of taking it out, it's a leaker anyway. I'm going to leave it right in there. Guys, I got some nice JB caps on there. This should be good. We'll reset it to 72. We'll leave it at 72. That's fine. 1 pound, that's not bad. £1, that's fine. I mean, that's not so bad. Hold the system.